Alright, let's settle one of the coolest mysteries of modern life. How does a giant metal tube like an airplane actually fly? I mean, you climb into this thing weighing hundreds of thousands of pounds, and somehow it lifts off the ground like it's no big deal. If you've ever stared out the window before takeoff, you know the feeling. Curiosity, a little nervousness, and maybe a touch of awe. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about wings. Airplane wings aren't just flat boards. They're curved on top and flatter underneath. This shape is called an airfoil, and it's the secret sauce. When the plane speeds down the runway, air splits at the front of the wing. The top curve forces air to travel faster over it than below. According to Bernoulli's principle, faster air means lower pressure. So there's higher pressure pushing up from below and lower pressure above. Boom! Lift. That's what gets you off the ground. But that's just one piece. You also need thrust, the forward motion that keeps the air moving over the wings. The engines, whether they're massive jet turbines or old-school propellers, push the plane forward super fast. The faster you go, the more lift you get, and eventually, you're airborne. It's like sticking your hand out of a car window. Tilt it just right, and your hand rises. Same thing, but scaled up. A lot. Now there's gravity always pulling you down and drag trying to slow you up. The pilot's job? Balance these four forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag, almost like a seesaw, but in the sky. If lift beats weight, you rise. If thrust wins over drag, you speed up. Simple ideas, but put together, they keep millions of flights aloft every year. But how does a pilot control where the plane goes? That's all about those moving parts on the wings and tail. Flaps, ailerons, elevators, rudders. Flaps help the plane take off and land at slower speeds. Ailerons tip the wings for turning. Elevators make the nose go up or down. Rudders steer left and right. It's like steering, balancing, and braking, just in 3 dimensions. So next time you fly, picture all these invisible forces doing the heavy lifting. You're not just a passenger. You're riding the results of some wild physics and brilliant engineering. And honestly, isn't it kind of amazing that humans figured this out? Next time, give that window view a little extra appreciation. Airplanes don't just fly. They show us what's possible when curiosity takes flight. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit like and let me know. What part of flying blows your mind the most?
Like, comment, and subscribe.